Hello students, hope all of you are fine. So we are doing lesson photosynthesis in higher plants. Today we are going to discuss about the photochemical phase, that is the light or Hill reaction. Okay, that is included under the mechanism of photosynthesis. So under mechanism of photosynthesis we will discuss about the light and dark reaction. So in this part we will discuss about the light reaction. Okay, so it occurs inside the thylakoid. Okay, and especially those of the grana region. The photochemical step is dependent upon light. The function of this phase is to produce assimilatory power consisting of reduced coenzyme, that is NADPH, okay, that is nicotinamide adenine diphosphate, and energy rich ATP, adenosine triphosphate molecule. Now photochemical phase involve some of the phases, okay, like photolysis of water. Okay, so photolysis of water, the phenomenon of breaking of water into hydrogen and oxygen in the illuminated chloroplast is called photolysis or photocatalytic splitting of the water. Okay, so what happens in photolysis of water is the breakdown of the water, okay, take place into hydrogen and oxygen. And where it take place? It take place in illuminated chloroplast. Okay, now light energy and oxygen evolving complex, that is OEC, okay, and the electron carrier YZ are required. Oxygen evolving complex was formed formerly, okay, it was earlier called the Z enzyme. It is attached to the inner surface of the thylakoid membrane. The enzyme has 4 magnesium ions, okay, light energized changes in the magnesium, okay, Mn, that is Mn2 plus and Mn3 plus Mn4 plus, and removes electron from the OH ion, okay, that is OH negative component of water, and forms oxygen. Now liberation of oxygen also required 2 other ions, okay, that is calcium 2 plus ion and chloride ions. Okay, now electron carrier, okay, which is YZ, okay, YZ, it YZ transfers the released electron to the photosystem, and that is 680, okay, P680. It is a component of a protein that is connected with the P680 center. Okay, so we can say that photolysis is a process in which the breakdown of the water molecule take place. Now next we have production of assimilatory power, okay, that is NADPH and ATP. The electron that are released during photolysis of water are picked up by the P680 photocenter of photosystem 2. Okay, now on receiving a photon of light energy, the photocenter expels an electron, okay, and there is a gain of energy, that is 23 kilocalorie per mole. Okay, it is the primary reaction of the photosynthesis, and it involves the conversion of light energy into chemical form. The phenomenon, okay, is called, or it is known as the quantum conversion. Okay, the electron removed by the process of photosystem, okay, by the photocenter, okay, that is photosystem 2 is picked up by the quencher. Okay, and that is quencher is pheophytin. Okay, that means which quench or snatches or take up. From here, the electron passes over a series of carrier in a downhill journey, okay, and lose its energy at every step. The major carrier are plastoquinone, okay, that is PQ, cytochrome B F complex, and plastocyanin, that is PC. While passing over cytochrome complex, the electron loses sufficient energy, okay, for the creation of photon gradient and synthesis of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate. So the ATP is synthesized from the photophosphorylation, that is phosphorylation of ADP, that is addition of phosphate ion in the ADP, that is adenosine diphosphate, get converted into ATP with the addition of phosphate ion. Now this process is called photophosphorylation and this is non-cyclic. Okay. From plastocyanin, the electron is picked up by trap center, that is P700 of photosystem 1. On absorbing a photon of light energy, P700 pushes out electron with a gain of energy. The electron passes over carriers, that is acts a special chlorophyll molecule, FeS, that is ferredoxin, and the NADP reductase. Okay, the later gives, that is NADP reductase gives electron to NADP plus for combining with hydrogen ion, okay, to produce NADPH. Okay, so NADPH is a strong reducing agent. It constitute the reducing power which also contain a large amount of chemical energy. Okay, so this is about the light reaction. Okay, now we have the biosynthetic phase, or we can say that is dark reaction or Blackman's reaction. Now it catalyzes assimilation of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. That means carbon dioxide is assimilated and it is converted into carbohydrate. The reaction is called carbon reaction. Okay, they occur in stroma or matrix of the chloroplast. The reaction do not require light. Instead, assimilatory power, that is ATP and NADPH, produced during photochemical phase is used in fixing and reduction of carbon dioxide. Now all the enzymes, okay, that is required for the process are present in the matrix or stroma of the chloroplast. Now there are two main pathways for biosynthetic or dark phase, that is Calvin cycle and C4 dicarboxylic acid cycle. Okay, a third pathway is CAM metabolism, which is intermediate between the two. The plant exhibiting Calvin cycle and C4 dicarboxylic acid cycle are respectively called C. Calvin cycle plant exhibiting are called C3 plants, okay, and dicarboxylic acid cycle exhibiting plants are called C4 plant. There is no taxonomic importance of two pathway. Thus, Euphorbia corolata is a C3 plant, while Euphorbia maculata is C4 plant. Grass Elytropis semi-alata has C3 and C4 ectotype, that is ecological variant. Okay.